Hello GX Nation. When I installed my Metal Tech rock sliders, I lost my running board lights. Now, I could have installed the original ones with zip ties, or I could have even figured out a way to attach them using the original housing, which I kept, but I really wanted something brighter, and with the ability to change color. White for in town, amber to keep the bugs away, and red to avoid night blindness at the campground. So I went up to Amazon and I bought an LED light strip and some waterproof UV resistant cleared tubing. I cut off the wall power adapter and wired it directly to the existing running board light adapter. From there, I snaked the LED strip through the cleared tubing. I made sure to leave the remote sensor easily accessible. Next, I sealed off the control box to protect it from moisture. I then ran the LED filled light tube from one end of the rock sliders to the other. I had extra, so I ran it back and forth 2 more times. Right now I've tied it up with zip ties, but I'm not in love with this particular installation. So I'd really love your thoughts and opinions on the best way to attach this to the car. I really like the light that it produces. It's much brighter than the standard lights that come on the running boards. I also love the ability to change the light colors, and I think it'll be really useful in the field. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the best way to attach these lights to the vehicle, or any other thoughts on this installation. So please leave a comment below, and as always, we really appreciate it if you can subscribe and like this video. See you on the trails. TXGX out.